Hi, from Cultureka, I'm Jordan. Today, I'll be sharing with you my favorite typography hacks in Illustrator. Hack number 1. Create outlines. Creating outlines from text in Illustrator is easy. Once you have your text ready, select it, go to the Type drop-down menu, and select Create Outlines. You can also do this faster by pressing Shift-Ctrl-O. Now you have outlines of all of your letters that you can distort and move around. Hack number 2. Pen tool to customize type. Did you know you can use your pen tool to create customized typography? Once you have created outlines for your text, you can use the pen tools or direct selection tool to customize the shape of your text or even add onto them. With this hack, you can create truly customized typography. Hack number 3. Masked over letters. Clipping masks are very useful, even for typography design. In this example, I'm going to use a clipping mask to create a duotone design. Simply duplicate the text and change the fill color. Next, create a rectangle bar covering the area you want. Go to the Object drop-down menu and click on Clipping Mask Make. You can also do this faster by pressing Ctrl 7. Now, you can create duotone designs. Hack number 4. Using the Pathfinder tools. The Pathfinder tools can help you elevate your typography. In this example, after creating outlines of your text, create a rectangle through the text. Using the Pathfinder tools, you can create a straight-through design that's completely customized. You can use this technique to create all kinds of different designs. So, did you find these tips helpful? Did we miss out on any other secret hacks? Tell us in the comments below. Be sure to like for more videos like this. See ya!